What's good, and welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. If you get any value, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on those notifications if you're new. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. We're currently sitting at $1.04. We're up about 1.11% on the day. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.69 billion, and the 24-hour volume is 447 million. So let's start with Ethereum today. As we always go over both, we are seeing a big juicy green candle. So we had our bearish divergence. We created a high, we created a higher high. However, we created a lower high, signifying that we're going to see some sell-off, and that's exactly what happened. We did see some sell-off. Now we are yet to come back and retest our neckline of support from our double bottom at 2406. But we're also having a hidden bullish divergence. So you can see here we created a low on the chart, and then we created a higher low. However, on the RSI, we've created a low and we've created a lower low, which is a hidden bullish divergence and signifies a continuation in the trend. So the fact that we're in an uptrend, it signifies a continuation in the uptrend. Now you can see we're coming back up to test 2632. Big juicy green candle right here. However, if we were to break 2362 and start heading up to 2764 and 2955, which are price targets based on the Fibonacci, we would start to get a little bit overextended, a little bit too overextended in my opinion from the EMAs. I'm not saying that's not a possibility. Of course, that can happen. But let's say we head up to 2955, which is also our breakout target from our double bottom. We would be very overextended from the EMAs and would cause a harder correction. The harder you pump, the steeper the correction, as I always like to remind you guys here of on the channel. So what may happen is we see some consolidation in this area where we come up, we hit a level of resistance and we consolidate. Maybe we come down to back test this level of support, and we consolidate and allow the EMAs to catch back up on the daily. Because if we do break through and head up to these price targets, we will be overextended. All right, guys, so do keep an eye on that hidden bullish divergence, and also keep an eye on 2632, which is our previous swing high. If we do hit some resistance here and we roll over, and then we'd be creating a bit of a double top pattern, which I could drop in here, where you've created a top, you've come up, you've created a top, you come back down, you create a double top. If you break this neckline here, then you would have a breakdown target that would bring you down to this level of support that dropped in previous videos at 2239. So do keep an eye on that as well. If we fail to break this level of resistance and we roll over, that's when you can see that double top pattern. But if we were to break through 2632, a little bit of bullish volume has stepped in here, but we're not seeing a huge increase in volume. Then your next price targets are 2764 and 2955. So let's pop over into Matic. So you're going to see the exact same thing. We've had an increase in price, but the RSI has been dropping, which is a bearish divergence. However, we have created a low and we've created a higher low. And you can see here we've created a low and we've created a lower low, which signifies a hidden bullish divergence and a continuation in the trend. So if we are able to stay above $1 here, then our next price target is up here to $1.15 is your next level of resistance. And then if we lose that level of support, I would target 96 cents, which is the breakdown target from our rising wedge pattern. We are still seeing low volume, guys, and we haven't seen a lot of sell-off from this bearish divergence. Now, your divergences don't always come to fruition here. We are also having that hidden bullish. So we're kind of getting a little bit of mixed signals, but we are still seeing low volume. If we look at Bitcoin, just a massive green candle. I talked about in my Bitcoin video that we may see a bounce due to the fact the RSI has bounced at this level, due to the fact we had a bullish divergence on the 1 hour, and that's what's happened. We've seen a bounce. Now we're coming up and testing the 20 EMA on the 4-hour chart. But if we were to hold 35.5K as support, that would give me a stronger signal that, okay, we've bounced, we've found our bottom, and we're going to see continuation to the upside. But if we simply roll over here and the bulls have just stepped in to push up the price in the short term, we roll over, we lose this level of support, that's when you can see that continuation to the downside. We would have to stay above the 20 EMA here and stay above 38.5 for us to see continuation, in my opinion. All right, guys, so nice to see a little green candle here. So keep an eye on this level 2632. If we break above it, that's when you're going to see that continuation. However, we are overextended. So if we were to see that continuation, there's a high chance of us correcting quite hard. So we would want to see some consolidation. It would be healthy. And same with Matic, see some consolidation. We're still holding the 20 EMA here for Matic. We're finding a bit of resistance on the 55. But if we hold support in this area and allow for Ethereum to heal up here on the daily, allow for the EMAs to catch back up, Ethereum is looking very, very strong. But I would like to see a little bit more consolidation, allow the EMAs to catch up to the candles. It would be healthy here, guys. So your targets are $1.15. If you do see that continuation to the upside here, we're still seeing low volume. So if Ethereum were to break this level of resistance, then your next price targets are here at $1.15. But we would like to see some consolidation in this area, would be healthy. So do keep an eye on 2632 for Ethereum. If we were to break through and head up to 2764 and 2955, that's when you would see Matic come up to these price targets, $1.15 and back up to $1.24. You notice with many of the strong projects, ADA and Polygon, they don't correct as hard as they pump. So do keep that in mind when you're trading. And then your levels of support, if Ethereum hits resistance and rolls, is down here at 96 cents. And we could also drop in this area. We have some support in this area back down about 91 cents. So just a little quick update. I just wanted to update you guys due to the fact that we are seeing those hidden bullish divergences. When you see a higher low on the price and you see a lower low on the RSI, it signifies a continuation in the trend. So do keep an eye on this level of resistance. If we break through it, you'll see that continuation for Matic. But if we hit resistance here and we roll, that's when you'll see Matic come down to this level of support, which is the target of our rising wedge at 96 cents. So that's it for this one, guys. If you got any value, smash that like button. Check out Bybit full length tutorial, up to $600 in bonuses. Sign up through my referral. You can check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.